first time in eons he knows fear.
Be belayed, but this battle is yours.
Do not fail.
Finally. It's time to throw wide the gates of heaven. Yes. Yes! I can feel them. The threads are mine to come up.
Touching the divine. So be it. I will rip what I need to finish the job on your misery. Sinner hides.
There is no running from your sins, even with that many days. I see a repeat performance.
When I'm done with you.
Sumo matches. If anyone was keeping score,
I would like to see this.
I should chew, but not swallow. I do not understand.
Eternal perk.
Kindness from the enemies of our enemies.
Max ammo. Max armor. That ought to knock some blood out of you.
Poison is a coward's weapon. At least now your life can be put to good use. Losing decoy.
She never born.
I did not know the smell of success would be so. Yes.
I've been looking forward to this.
Thank you. Your lack of discipline has been most beneficial. Power is such a power. Hey, it's something so small. If we ought to be working together, no this. This is not the afterlife.
Don't worry, it's okay.
You're not dead! Yet!
Max armor. Max ammo.
Do you not enjoy it when I bring the pain?
This is still my territory. I command it.
Tossing decoy. She will fuck. I have no doubt.
Can't believe we took down that massive walking rectum.
Yeah. But ideas like his got a life all their own.
He's gone.
Thank you for taking care of them for me.
Oh, they were no bother. Little gross. Definitely creepy. No bother, though.
I was talking to them.
We don't even know your name.
Ava. It's Ava. I wish it could be different, but some things are preordained. By the past and the future. Your destiny leads you elsewhere. It's time to say your goodbyes.
We make pretty good team. If you're having thoughts of second.
That'd be real nice, Nikolai. But we still have a role in all this.
You are on a righteous path, Kava-san. Most would shy from such a destiny.
Well, no one lives forever, Tak. And I was always gonna go out with my boots on.
To endure hardship so others can move on. These are the noble actions of a bosatsu.
If you're ready.
Hang on a sec. Guys. I'm not going with you.
You're staying?
Look, I get you all have this destiny to go to. But I don't. You've been awesome, but I need my family. My path's on a different thread. I can be with them again. Look after yourself, handsome. She'll keep you warm tonight.
Maya,
Don't let the portal hit you in the ass on the way out!
Some points in time are so pivotal that they have to be preserved. And moments of joy in memory of those we've lost must be taken. Even knowing they will bring us pain. Or perhaps cost us everything we are. Because it is from the ashes of these labors that second chances and even new beginnings are born. Your threads remain bound. It is time for you to journey onward.
We will not squander our companion's gift.
The samurai does not speak for me!